For some reason, so don't beg me. But hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the party, period. I just closed out day 9 for you guys, and this is day 10, me traveling to Vegas, from Miami to Vegas. So see y'all at the airport. Okay, so we finally made it to the airport. There's nobody around me before y'all say anything, so I'm asking off. I know I look bummy, but what was I about to say? Okay, so we have a flight. We actually have a layover in Dallas. The layover is only for an hour, so that's not bad. But yeah, so we go to Dallas from Miami, and then from Dallas we'll go to Las Vegas, and it's like a 45-minute layover. And it's about 3 hours for each flight, so 3 hours to Dallas, 3 hours to Vegas. But yeah, the times, I think that's what's gonna mess me up. Like, for Vegas is 3 hours behind Miami, so we gain 3 hours when we go to Vegas, but when it's time to go back to Chicago, we lose 2 hours. But it's good because we come back on a Friday, so we'll have the weekend to recover. But yeah, the time differences are a little different, especially if you're traveling to 3 different states. But I'm excited for Vegas. We're gonna meet some family there, so I'm really excited. This airport don't got no type of food at all. Like, what are we supposed to eat? I'm trying to keep my mask over my nose. This mess is too big. Yeah, this is sick. Oh, look at the doggy. Landed in Dallas. We board in 20 minutes, but y'all, look at this. They actually have food options. Like, that other place ain't have no food, but the burger I got was good, so. We landed.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total. And your last name.
It smells so good in here. Room tour. Look where we're about to eat, y'all. And they have zip lining up there that I really want to do at some point. That's our hotel.
And I think they charge opening.
We made it to Vegas. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini travel vlog. I know it's not long at all. But yeah, we made it here. I'm gonna record New Year's Eve for you guys. So day 12 will actually be posted January 1st because I obviously want to record New Year's Eve. And so yeah, it'll be posted on the 1st instead of the 31st. But I hope you guys enjoyed day 10. Look forward to day 11. I'm not gonna tell y'all what that video is gonna be yet, but day 12 will be New Year's Eve, and then that will be the end of my little vlogmas. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you don't miss the last 2 days of 12 days with Amaiya Mykale. And see you guys in day 11. Bye. Day 2 in Vegas. All of the grandparents are here. They're gonna be gambling, so we probably not gonna really see them. But today we're gonna walk the strip and I don't know, just I guess go with the flow once again. But yeah, this is my outfit for today, and I'm gonna wear a jacket because it's like 50 something degrees in Vegas. Say hi. Hi. Okay. Oh my God. We're in Caesar's Palace, a place like a bunch of stores and stuff. So y'all already know I'm about to spend some money. Look at how pretty. So we're still in the mall. This face mask is honestly like making my face itch. I'm so tired of it. But I spent some money, so I'm done. I'm not going to no other store. But I'm gonna go find something to eat. Y'all, the Grand Lux here is 24 hours. Like, that's crazy. Y'all know I love their chicken rolls. So I think I'm about to go get some chicken rolls. And yeah, we're gonna see what we're gonna do from there.